everyone, how's it going on? So today we are going to the National Botanic Garden, which is itself in the Dublin. If you're looking for a place to just hang out and free of cost, then you can definitely come over here. So let's go and check out this place. The best way to get to the Botanic Garden is by bus because the bus will drop you off close to the garden entrance. There are guided tours available with fees varying depending on the occasion. The majority of trips and workshops cost between 5 and 10 euros. If you want to go on a guided tour, use the link in the description. If you're coming from the car parking area, this will be your entrance. Several glass houses can be seen around the garden. The glass houses are like miniature ecosystems carefully designed to recreate different climates. It's like stepping in a whole new world of botanical wonders. The Great Farmhouse was built in Glasgow, Scotland and moved to Dublin in 1883 after the previous glass houses was damaged in a storm. This is the part where you can see desert plants from all around the world. I'm just amazed by how efficiently the entire garden has been maintained, where you can see a variety of plants and flowers in the same place. Watch the video till the end in order to look at the beautiful flowers and animals. After entering, you can discover Ireland's only tropical rainforest. Keep an eye out for the massive glossy banana leaves, exotic fruits and blossoms, and beautiful Victorian-era details. Because of trees, the temperature inside the glass house is relatively cool. It's incredible to see the hut made out of bamboo trees and the water stream in the middle of the glass house. Just a heads up for everyone that only dog guides are permitted in this garden. This garden does not allow picnics or cycling. It is a very beautiful garden, so if you're in Dublin, then do check out this place. We have reached the Rose Garden, which is an excellent location for taking lovely photographs with the flowers in the background. As well as, I would even like to thank you everyone who is watching my video and supporting my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please support my channel by subscribing it.